Looking to supercharge your gaming rig? The easiest way to go from meh to mind-blowing is by upgrading your graphics card. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Don't worry, we've done the research for you. Today, we're breaking down the best GPUs of 2025 across all budgets. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just want the smoothest experience, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and find your perfect match. First up, the king of all GPUs, the Nvidia RTX 5090. This beast delivers a massive 31% performance boost over its predecessor and breaks the 100 FPS barrier in some of the most demanding games. With 32GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and the latest DLSS4 tech, this card is perfect for high-end 4K gaming and heavy AI workloads. The only downside, it comes at a premium price, around $2,000. But hey, if you want the best, this is it. Now, if you want high-end performance without completely emptying your wallet, the RTX 5080 is a solid choice. It's nearly half the cost of the 5090, but still offers fantastic 4K gaming performance. It also overclocks like a dream. At around $1,000, it's the best pick for high-end gamers who want top-tier performance with some savings. Not looking to break the bank? The AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT is our favorite mid-range option. It performs on par with Nvidia's 4070 Super in many games, while costing less. If you mainly play non-ray trace games, this card's a winner. It's a fantastic pick for 1440p gaming and even holds its own at 4K. Priced at around $500 to $600, it's the best bang for your buck in this category. Finally, if you're on a tight budget but still want great performance, check out Intel's Arc B580. This card outperforms the RTX 4060 in some games and even crushes AMD's RX 7600 in ray tracing. It has a solid 12GB of VRAM and comes in at just $250. While Intel's drivers still have some catching up to do, this GPU is a steal for budget-conscious gamers. So there you have it, the best GPUs of 2025 for every budget. Whether you're going all out with the RTX 5090 or saving some cash with the Arc B580, there's a perfect card for everyone. Now, we want to hear from you. Which GPU are you thinking of upgrading to? Drop a comment below and let us know.